Hello guys, this I am unboxing my new DJI OSMO ACTION 6 enhanced package, enhanced combo. So let's see. So it is. It looks pretty good. It has the battery extender, battery charger, batteries, 2 extra batteries, all the features. So let's see. Okay, so we have the camera right here. Okay, right here. Looks pretty good. All right. Then we have, okay, we have the stick. I think. Oh, looks pretty good. Looks sturdy. Okay. An accessory package right here. Okay, got the book. You don't need it. Got the clip-ons. And then another clip-on. Okay. Oh, looks nice. Sturdy. Yeah. Then we have, all these right here. Then what is this? Oh, some stickers for something. I don't know what it is for, but we'll figure that out. And we have the cable, charger cable. You have the battery. Looks like the batteries are inside here. So you have the charger. Oh, looks pretty good. I don't know if we have battery in here or no. Alright, looks pretty good. And the next video will be on my new DJI OSMO 6. Okay, alright, that's it. That's how it is. And I did order some Amazon ND filters. I know DJI has their own ND filters, but they were like $70 to $80, and this was under $10. So it looks pretty good. I'm gonna test these pretty soon on my motorcycle. So then I have some stickers, some screen protectors, So we're gonna put it on there. All right. Thanks, guys. We'll check back in the next video pretty soon. All right.